Welcome to Excel Module 3 Project 1B. Let's get started. First, I'm going to download our files. I won't reference the instruction file too much because I'm guessing you'd like a little bit of a shorter video. So we'll just download those and then open our start file. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is enable editing. And then we're going to rename the entire sheet, so go back to your expected file name, copy and paste everything besides the XLSX, then come back, File, Save As, paste, and save. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is go to our report, and we're going to rename this to Sales Report. Space Report. Awesome. We are going to go to View, and then under Freeze Panes type or click Unfreeze Panes. So now we get rid of those weird little lines. Next we're going to click on K2, so scooch on over, and we're going to type a formula, go =, now, parenthesis, enter. We don't want to fill it because this will give us the exact now formula. Now we are going to copy and paste the formatting of B5 to C5 through G9. So click it. We can go home. I think it was, let's just right click and, shoot, I'm forgetting how to do this, one sec. Alright, so we click and we click this little paintbrush, which is the format painter, and then highlight C5 through G9. There we go. Next, we're going to click on H5 and go to Insert, then click Line, and the range is going to be B5 through G5. Press OK. That's going to give us our spark line. Then we are going to drag it down to H9. Awesome. Next, we're going to change the color, so with everything highlighted, we can go to sparkline color. You're going to choose the second one over from the left. Then we're going to click high point and low point. Awesome. Now we're going to copy I5, so Control C. And then for, this is a little unique, you're going to select I6 through I9 and then right click and paste and click this one with the FX. So that's just going to paste the formula. Great job. Now we're going to click on B12, right here, and what we're going to type here is =, B9 divided by $I, $9, enter. Next, let's fill that all the way to G12. Great job. We're going to go to B16 now, and type, we're going to make an if statement, which is a little complicated, but we got it. =if, parenthesis, B9 is greater or equal to 275,000, comma, B9 times 0.26, comma, B9 times 0.17, close parenthesis. Great, let's drag that over to December. And we want these to not be these little bar things, so select both, and then go to Design. Where's Design? Okay, I believe Design is under Sparkline Tools. So we're going to go to Line, and make that a line, and also change the color. So we're going to click Sparkline Color, and then do this bottom dark red accent 1, 50%. Great! Now we're going to go to Data, and click What If Analysis, and you can scroll down to see what's actually happening. So click What If Analysis, Scenario Manager. Oh shoot, give me one sec. Sorry, it's actually What If Goal Seek. So what if goal seek, and then for set cell, we're going to go I-26, then to value 35, then I-23. Enter. Say okay. Awesome, and you can see these numbers change right over here. Next we're going to come to J21, and as you can see this looks a little odd, so click J21, and then what we want to do is highlight to J25, J26, sorry, and we're going to merge and center that. So go home, click your merge and center, that looks much better, then click your little orientation and rotate text down, and then you can click column J, right click, go to column width and make that 7. Great, that looks much better. Next we are going to delete row 32, so this row of nothing, just click 32, then right click again, then delete. Now we are going to add a cluster column chart, so click A21, highlight down to B25, oops, shift B25, and then hold down control and highlight G21 through G25. Great, and now we're going to go insert and charts. We can just see more charts. We can go all chart cluster, this is what we want. We can press OK, and that looks great. We're going to rename our chart title to, by double tapping, type estimated sales Jan and June. That looks great. Next we are going to reposition it and put the top left corner in A33, and then the bottom right corner in E45. See, it's already in 45, so just move it on over. It doesn't have to be exactly on the line. Then last thing we're going to do is click this, and we're going to go to chart design. Go to quick layout, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is what we want it to look like, layout number 5. Let me turn it in and make sure we got a 100. Alright, it looks like we missed 3 things. So in the sales report, A2 should be formatted using center vertical alignment. So let's see, where's A2? Let's enable editing. Center vertical alignment, A2. Give me 1 sec. Alright, I'm going to try this and hope it works. I hope this is center vertical alignment. It looks like it would be. The other thing it wants us to do is make sure that these are in a dark red sparkline style. So I'm going to come over here. I think insert would be where it is. It already is aligned, so maybe right click, format cells. Maybe come to sparkline, line, sparkline color. So right now we have it at accent 1, darker 50%, dark red, and it wants it in dark red 50%, accent 1. Okay, I hope these 2 things work. If not, leave it in the comments or I'll figure it out later and tell y'all, but I'll try to turn it in again. 1 sec. Alright, so sorry, I just am having trouble with these last 3. I'll leave it in the comments if I get it, but hopefully this will do, and see you on the next one.